This lesson we're going to start is day 4, box plots, IQR, which stands for the interquartile range, and the 5-number summary. A couple of things. First, we'll start off with the percentile. That just gives the percent rank least to greatest up to 100. So for example, if you're at the 35th percentile in weight, you are heavier than 35% of the people and lighter than 65%. If you scored 97th percentile in the ACT, that's really good, so you'll probably get a scholarship. Deciles break things into groups of 10%. That's how we do our class ranking at Jefferson, but we really don't use it a whole lot other than that. Quartiles. Quartiles divide data into fourths. So we'll do it at the 25th percentile, the 50th percentile, and the 75th percentile. If we look at that on a number line, it'll look something like this. If you think of the number line where we have 0% here, and we have 100% here, we can then divide that in half, and that would be where 50% is, and then divide 50% in half, and that will be where 25% is, and divide the 50 and 100% in half, and that's where 75% is. Where we put in our quartiles, our first quartile, or Q1, is at 25%. Our second quartile, or Q2, is at 50%, and then our third quartile, which is Q3, we put at 75%. Now, we usually don't say Q2. We usually call that the median, which is the middle of the set of data when it's ordered from smallest to largest. You could also call this Q0 and this Q4, but we really don't use those as part of our data. So when we look at the median, that's the 50th percentile, that's Q2. The lower quartile, 25th percentile, and that would just be the median of the lower half of the data. The upper quartile is the 75th percentile, which we call Q3, which is the median of the upper half of the data. The interquartile range is just when you take the value at Q3, or the third quartile, and you subtract the value at Q1, the first quartile. When we're looking at the 5-number summary, 5-number summary is just the minimum value in a set of data, Q1, which is the 25th percentile, the median, which is the 50th percentile, Q3, which is the 75th percentile, and then the maximum value in our set of data.